Welcome back to another episode of American Air Gunner. This week, I'll be doing a review of the Sig Sauer ASP-20 break barrel rifle. Later, Steve Kreiner will take us on a prairie dog hunt with the Umarex Octane Elite. But first, let's join up with Jim Chapman for a good old Texas hog hunt.
Just came out. A friend of mine's, one of his properties, told me I could hunt out here. My other hunt wrapped up early, and so I came out. I sat here. There was corn on the ground already when I got here. It hadn't been touched, so I didn't really think anything was going to come in. Well, as you saw, last bit of daylight just fading out, and I looked out the blind and I saw this big boar coming down along the bush line right here. And I was already starting to put my stuff away. I folded up my sticks, and my rifle was laying down. I was just getting ready to take the camera down, and I spotted him. I let him walk out, got a good shot. He just dropped on the spot. He's big. Big. I'm going to pull him out. We're going to have to use some lights to look at him though. And he's a big pig. So big, as a matter of fact, I can't move him. He's where he's laying. I put webbing around his feet and I tied it in to drag him out, and I can't even budge him. So he's going to have to lay there overnight. I've got a friend, Edwin Bumpus, over at Airguns of Texas. I just talked to him on the phone. He can't come tonight, but tomorrow morning he's going to come down and help me. You saw the footage from last night. I got out to the blind about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I put some corn in the feeder, then I went and sat the blind. And I sat here till almost 8 o'clock. Nothing happened. Then about 7:45, just when I was getting ready to pack everything up and head off, I'd taken my shooting sticks down. I looked out to my side, saw this pig walking along. And so I just set up and waited. He came in towards the feeder. 20 yards, he had a cedar bush behind him. He paused for a minute, took the shot, hit him chest. He went down. I got a pass through on him. This is not as big as I thought last night. There was some ground shrinkage, to be honest, but he's still a big pig. Big, hefty cutters on him. I guess he probably weighs about 200 pounds. A good, solid pig, Texas pig. I shot him using the Texan, Air Force Texan. This is 357. My gun's been modified a little bit. Edwin over at Airguns of Texas cut down the barrel, recrowned it, built a suppressor for it, mounted it, tuned it up so that it shoots the Aero Magnum, the Al Clark made cast bullets. This is the Devastator 357 built for this gun, and man, it did a job. I've used this combination now, this gun and these bullets, this season to take deer. I've taken javelina, I've taken turkey, and I've taken hog, and coyote and fox as well. Just been a great combo for both. So anyway, this has been a good hunt. Sorry I couldn't get everything last night. This pig was too big for me to move by myself. He went into the mud and I couldn't budge him. So Edwin came out with me today, and we've towed him back using his quad. At any rate, stick around. There's more coming on American Air Gunner.
Coming up, I get a chance to review the Sig Sauer ASP-20 break barrel rifle and see how it performs on the range. This episode of American Air Gunner is brought to you by Umarex, Air Venturi, Hawk Optics, Predator International, and by Daystate.